I needed to find a powerful, not super heavy drill for all of the projects that we have coming up, but I also wanted it to be affordable. After a bit of a search on Amazon, I came across the DCA cordless drill set and decided to give it a go. After ordering, it showed up in a couple of days, so let's see what all it comes with. The DCA cordless drill comes nicely packaged with a solid foam insert that should keep everything safe in transit. First up is the manual that will tell you everything you need to know about the drill and how to set it up. Next up is the bit selection, which has a bit holder along with several different tips. The vast majority of the time I use either star bit screws or Phillips, so those will be seeing the most use for sure. Then we have a baggie that has a double-ended driver bit, along with the bit storage that we will attach to the drill itself in a couple of minutes. After that is the charging cord for the battery, and we will look at how to actually use it later in the video. Next up is the battery itself, and this is a 20-volt 2 amp-hour battery. This should provide plenty of power for the projects we will be doing. However, if I do feel like I need more, they do sell additional batteries as well. Then there is the flexible extender for the driver bits. This will let you get into some harder to reach areas for sure. After that, we have the plastic box of actual drill bits, and there is quite a selection in there. We will definitely be trying these out later. Last but not least is the drill itself, and while it is lightweight, it feels very solid and should be able to put the work in. We will definitely be trying a couple of things later in the video. To start using the drill, you just slide the battery in the only way it will go until you hear a solid click, which means that it is locked in place. This is a chuckless drill, which means that you can just tighten or loosen the drill's grip on the bits by turning the front of the drill. As I do it here, you can see the 3 grabby fingers going in and out of the drill, looking for a bit. The drill bits that come with this unit are protected nicely inside of their plastic carrying case, and I'm going to pull one out to put into the drill to try it out. The drill grabs the bit nice and tight, and you can adjust the torque that the drill will use by spinning the number dial at the base of the drill. A lower number will use less torque, which is good if you are trying to put in some screws without rounding anything off. If you crank it all of the way over to the drill bit icon, it will crank out with its full torque, which DCA says is 354 inch-pounds. For the most part, I typically just leave it on the drill setting. Earlier, I mentioned the bit holder that attaches onto the drill itself, and it is super easy to attach. Just line up the hole in the bit holder to the screw location on either side of the drill, and use the included screw to attach it tightly. Once it is attached, you can go ahead and slot in whatever bit you think you will use most. When you receive the drill, the battery will only have a partial charge. The battery has this little button that you can press to see how much power is left. Mine says that it is about half full, but my thumbnail says that I obviously just peeled an orange to eat right before this. To charge the battery, just plug the charging cable into the top of the battery and let it sit for a while to charge. I am not sure how long it took to charge to full as I just let it sit overnight, but here is what it looks like when you press the little button and the battery is full. Now that the drill is ready to go, let's knock out a couple of projects. I needed a small platform to get something up off the floor in the garage, so I decided to make something out of the scrap wood that we have laying around. The drill does an excellent job sinking the screws in, and in no time I had my platform and moved on to the next project. Next up, I needed to sink a couple more screws into the rear gate on the utility trailer as something had happened and a couple of the old screws got broken off. Another easy job for the DCA drill though, so let's move on to the next test. Finally, I wanted to try out the drill bits, so I grabbed the largest one and tried it out, seeing if I could punch all of the way through a 4x4 scrap. It chewed through it beautifully, and I was thrilled with how well everything has worked out. So far, the DCA cordless drill set has done everything I have asked from it, which is amazing. Not to mention that as this video goes live, the cost of all of this is just over $30. So if you are looking for an affordable drill option, make sure to click on the Amazon Associates link in the video description or pinned comment down below.